In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in Zoho Invoice. This is an essential process for any business that wants to streamline its billing procedures and offer a convenient payment solution for its customers. We'll break it down into clear steps, ensuring you can follow along with ease. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Invoice account. This is your starting point, so if you haven't created an account yet, make sure you do so beforehand. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your gateway to modifying your Zoho Invoice settings. Click on this gear icon to access the settings menu. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll want to find and click on Online Payments. This section of Zoho Invoice is specifically designed to help you manage and configure your payment gateways, enabling smoother transactions for your business. Zoho supports a wide variety of popular payment gateways, including Stripe and PayPal. Whether you're just getting started or looking to add a new option, rest assured that Zoho can accommodate your needs. Next, you'll notice a Setup Now option. Next to each payment gateway available, choose the one that best suits your business needs and click Setup Now. This will initiate the process of configuring your chosen payment gateway. Each payment gateway will require specific information to complete the setup. This typically includes API keys, secret keys, and merchant IDs. If you're opting for PayPal, you'll also need to enter your email address associated with your PayPal account. These details are crucial for securing and authenticating your payment transactions. You might wonder where to find these details. Don't worry, these will be available on your payment gateway's dashboard. For instance, if you're using Stripe, head over to the Stripe dashboard. If you're using PayPal, you would check the PayPal developer portal. Each platform has a specific area where these credentials can be easily found. Once you have all the necessary information, navigate back to your Zoho Invoice account and carefully paste the required details into their respective fields. It's important to ensure all information is correct to avoid any issues with payment processing. After you've entered everything, remember to save your changes. And that's it, you've successfully set up a payment gateway in Zoho Invoice. With these steps, you're now equipped to offer your clients a seamless and efficient payment process, helping to enhance their experience and potentially boost your business's efficiency as well. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher on any of the steps.